What's up guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I want to show you another trading strategy that turned out to be highly profitable. Additionally to this strategy I have created a Pinescript to the strategy so that you guys can automate the strategy and let the bot do the hard work for you. If you're interested in the code, you will find it in the link in the description below. I have created a bundle of 4 different Pinescripts that turned out to be very lucrative for me in the past, so as I already mentioned, you will find it in the link below. The strategy I want to show you today is a so-called grid trading strategy. This is a very useful strategy, especially in a sideway market where other strategies might not be lucrative or even produce losses. I would say we will start right away with our trading rules and setup. So if you have loaded the Pinescript into your editor, then you can click on Save and later on Add to Chart. When you click on Add to Chart, then you will see a notification where they ask you for the top grid price. When you take a look now into your trading chart, you will see that the market is always trading into a sideway, like between these two lines, like somewhere over here, and the lower level is somewhere over here. So between these two lines, the market is always trading. So let's click now into our top grid price and click onto our bottom grid price, which is somewhere over here. Then you will see something like this, and now you can see that the chart has drawn several lines between the two levels that you have chosen, and we can see already the trades the script would have been traded. So let's have a closer look into our trading rules and into the setup that we can see. In the green area, the market is in the higher area between your designated price levels, and in the red area, the market is below. So in the red area, you are expecting the market will go up in the future and place long orders. In the green area, you will do the exact opposite and you will do short orders. Each new line is a new price level where you will buy another position. So when you take a closer look, for example over here, you will see that the script is open a new long position at each price level where the market is coming into. So here we have a new long position, here we have a new long position, and here we have the same. Then if the market is crossing into the next color area, so when we are in the red market and the price is going up, then you can see we are running through this line, and we are definitely running through this line. Then we are coming up, and you can see that the script has closed all positions that we have opened over here right at this line. So you can see each line as kind of a trailing stop loss. As you can see, the strategy is quite simple, but you need some patience for this. So as an example, it is very, very easy to miss one of the important step. So for example, it is very easy that you maybe miss a move like this, or when we have a closer look later, that you will miss a move like this, especially when it is like late in the evening or maybe during the night. This is the moment where Pinescript can help you a lot. You can either set alarms if the script realizes a new trading setup, for example open a new position, or maybe change the stop loss or close the position. Or you can connect the script, for example, with Pinex, and then you can automate the strategy. If we take now a closer look into our backtesting, then you can see that in this time we had a total trades of 57 and we had a net profit of 32.97% with a maximum drawdown of only 8.9% and an average profit per trade of 2.57%. Due to the fact that this is in the 1 hour time frame, it took us maybe like 2 months. So from late March this year to, yeah, I think it is like not until now, because here we changed the price and then we came back. So in this area, after this big movement, we would have need to change the level somewhere between over here, and then we can continue with the strategy as it is. But we are still into this trend more or less, so we are still in the trend more or less, and in this time we would have a profit of 32.97%, which is quite amazing. because when we take a closer look to the performance summary, you can see that the buy and hold return of the Bitcoin would only have been 2.02%, and the net profit of our trading bot were 32.97%. So it is a great outperform of the market. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far. And then I would say we will see us in the next video for another trading strategy, where this is a spoiler alert, where I will also show you a Pinescript where you can automate the strategy. So this will be the second Pinescript that you will find in the bundle in the description below. So see you in the next video and see you soon.